Is your American Standard AC stuck in delay mode? This video will help you understand why. Delay mode is a built-in safety feature, usually lasting 3 to 5 minutes, preventing rapid on-off cycles that can damage the compressor. The delay typically lasts 3 to 5 minutes after the compressor turns off, giving it time to stabilize before starting again. When it gets stuck, your AC won't cool properly, leading to discomfort and higher energy bills. This issue primarily affects models from the 2010s and early 2020s. We'll explore the causes and, more importantly, how to fix it. A primary cause of stuck delay mode is hardware faults, particularly failing capacitors in the control board. These capacitors store electrical charge and help regulate timing in the AC system. When they fail to discharge properly, they can trick the system into believing it's still in the delay period. Software glitches from corrupted firmware can also cause stuck delays. This often happens due to power surges that damage the software controlling the timing sequences. The system may freeze in delay mode because the firmware can't properly process the timing signals. Environmental factors can make stuck delays worse. Voltage fluctuations from unstable power supply can stress the electronics, while dust buildup on circuit boards can interfere with proper functioning. These conditions often combine with hardware or software issues to create persistent problems. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these simple fixes. First, power cycle your AC unit. Turn off the breaker to the outside unit and the indoor unit for at least 30 seconds, then turn them back on. Next, reset your thermostat. Many smart thermostats have reset options in their settings menu. You can also try removing the thermostat from the wall for a few minutes to reset it. Check your American Standard thermostat manual for specific reset instructions. If you have a smart thermostat from American Standard or Train, checking for firmware updates is an important step. In early 2025, they released firmware patch version 3.2.1 specifically to address software bugs that cause indefinite delay modes in AC systems. To check for updates, first ensure your thermostat is connected to Wi-Fi. Access the settings menu on your device. Look for the software update option in the menu. The update will download and install automatically when connected to Wi-Fi. The update process may take a few minutes. Once complete, your thermostat will restart and the delay mode issues should be resolved. This firmware update has successfully resolved the stuck delay mode problem for many American Standard AC users. If software updates and resets haven't resolved the stuck delay mode, the issue may be with hardware components, particularly the capacitors on the control board. These capacitors store electrical charge and help regulate timing in the AC system. Begin with a visual inspection of the capacitors. After safely disconnecting power, locate the control board capacitors. Check for signs of damage such as bulging tops, leaking electrolyte fluid, or corrosion. These visual indicators suggest the capacitor has failed and needs replacement. If you have the skills and tools, use a digital multimeter to test the capacitor. Set the multimeter to voltage mode and measure across the capacitor terminals. During normal operation, the voltage should gradually drop to zero after the delay period ends, typically 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, working with electrical components requires proper knowledge and safety precautions. If you're not experienced with electronics or don't have the necessary tools, it's best to contact a certified HVAC technician who can safely inspect and replace faulty capacitors. In Q3 2025, American Standard initiated a voluntary recall for approximately 150,000 units of the AccuLink and AccuComfort series manufactured between 2018 and 2022. This recall was due to capacitor failures in the control boards. Visit the Train website and enter your unit's model and serial number to check if your AC is affected. If it is, you're eligible for a free repair. If you've tried the basic troubleshooting steps and your American Standard AC is still stuck in delay mode, it's time to call a professional HVAC technician. These experts have the specialized tools and expertise to properly diagnose and repair complex issues that go beyond simple resets. Attempting advanced repairs yourself can be dangerous, potentially causing electrical shock or further damage to your system. It could also void your warranty, leaving you responsible for costly repairs. The best way to avoid these problems is through preventative maintenance. Regular checkups help identify potential issues before they become major problems. Annual maintenance is recommended for optimal AC performance. The future of HVAC systems is moving towards smart, self-diagnosing technology. Newer American Standard AC models incorporate AI-assisted diagnostics that can preemptively identify and correct delay anomalies before they cause problems. Additionally, trends point to predictive maintenance through mobile apps that use machine learning to analyze system patterns and detect potential issues early, preventing costly breakdowns. To prevent delay mode issues, regular maintenance is essential. This includes cleaning the evaporator and condenser coils to remove dust buildup, checking for loose electrical connections, and inspecting components like capacitors for wear. Finally, ensure your AC system has proper surge protection. Power fluctuations can corrupt firmware or damage components like control boards. Installing quality surge protectors safeguards against these issues and extends equipment lifespan.